Financial markets are wobbly in recent times. What if I tell you can come out of this unprecedented financial market crisis for your real estate assets portfolio with a higher capital gains than before? With my tried and tested system, which is soundly structured with my intensive understanding of the real estate market, you'll be able to discover the most optimal and effective way to personally handpick Singapore properties that will exhibit significant potential growth for the next 3 to 5 years. I'll be sharing with you our professional advisory on the trending market insights and movement, and also our forward projection of the property market in the next 3 to 5 years. Hi, I'm Adrian Wee here, and for the past 15 years, I've the privilege to successfully assist many of my long-term loyal clients to achieve their financial portfolio goals through real estate home ownership and transacting in the Singapore and international market. Through my wide scope of knowledge on how real estate market works, I've been featured and interviewed intensively on the local media as a practitioner and also a real estate investor myself, locally and internationally. I will conduct in-depth research through a search framework and in-depth price analysis and market position for your real estate portfolio, which will be in line with a detailed current market research through the elements for you to have a precise decision making for your assets. Throughout my career and investment journey, I note that the best way to maximize your property gains is to understand and take advantage of the government's urban transformation plan. While these plans and information are really out in the public domains, however, for most people, it's too time-consuming and too technically termed. I'll be most pleasure to have that honor to share these insights with you when we meet. Crucially, the purpose of our coffee session has one clear goal: to give you the ability to make sound decisions so that you will never have to live in regret by making the wrong move on your biggest purchase ticket in your life. So click on the link in this video to register your interest now. Looking forward to connect with you. Ciao!